SharkNinja just announced a bunch of new products, and here's everything you need to know. Starting with Ninja, the brand debuted its new double stack air fryer, which has a huge capacity but takes up really minimal space in your kitchen. The food that it creates is delicious. I've tried some myself, and it looks like a double-decker bus, so what's not to like? Next, we have the Ninja Combi, a 12-in-1 multi-cooker, oven, and air fryer. It's super speedy, it cooks for up to 8 people at a time, so it's ideal for meal prepping and busy families. Ninja is expanding into beverage makers, and its sparkling water machine could give SodaStream a run for its money. Ninja has also announced its first ever meat thermometer, the Pro Chef Connected Thermometer, which can be used for both indoor and outdoor cooking, and it has an impressive 30-hour battery life. Another first from Ninja is its Frost Vault, its very own cool box, which is going to be absolutely everywhere this summer. Ninja is also giving some of its products the XL treatment, so its wood fire electric barbecue and its creamy is going to be available in bigger sizes and with additional features.